Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock motorcycle exhaust louder. First, consider removing the internal baffle from your muffler. This is often the simplest way to achieve a much louder sound. Alternatively, you could drill a few small holes into the baffle itself for a more moderate increase in volume. Another option is to replace the stock exhaust tip, which can direct the sound differently and make it seem louder. If you're looking for a more substantial change, consider installing an aftermarket slip-on muffler. These are designed to be louder and often improve exhaust flow. For the ultimate sound and performance boost, a complete full exhaust system replacement is the way to go. Remember, after significant exhaust modifications, it's often beneficial to have your engine tuned to ensure optimal performance and prevent any potential issues. Before making any modifications, it's crucial to understand the legal implications. Local noise ordinances vary widely, and exceeding decibel limits can lead to significant fines or even impoundment of your motorcycle. Also, be aware that altering your stock exhaust system could potentially void your manufacturer's warranty. Always check your warranty terms and local laws to ensure you're making informed decisions. For complex modifications, professional installation is highly recommended to ensure everything is fitted correctly and safely. Your motorcycle's performance and your safety depend on it. And speaking of safety, always wear proper hearing protection, especially when riding with a louder exhaust, to protect your ears from long-term damage. Also, remember to stay hydrated on your rides. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.